Insecure logging vulnerability. In this section, we'll introduce you to insecure logging vulnerability and how it affects real-world Android applications. It is a type of security vulnerability that occurs when sensitive information is logged or stored in an insecure manner, making it accessible to attackers. This vulnerability typically occurs in applications that log sensitive data such as passwords, credit card numbers, or other personal information. Insecure logging can occur in several ways, such as writing sensitive data to a log file that can be accessed by anyone with access to the system, or logging data to a database without proper encryption or access controls. In this video, we will demonstrate a practical scenario for an insecure logging vulnerability. We will be using an Android Studio emulator to perform this vulnerability. After opening the Android Studio, pull up your device manager and start an emulator Android device. Now open your CMD terminal and type adb devices. Press enter and list all the connected Android devices. So you can see that our emulator is up and running. Now type adb logcat and hit enter. You can observe that it displays all the log data on the screen. Go back to the emulator device and open the Diva application. Click on Insecure Logging. Enter any random number and click on Checkout. Now go back to the terminal and check whether this random number we submitted got logged in with clear text. We can click again to see that the value was successfully logged, and we can see the value in clear text. Let's discuss the measures that one must follow to remediate this issue. To prevent insecure logging, these are the important steps developers or testers must follow. Identify all areas of your application that perform logging and review the logs to determine what sensitive information is being stored. Implement a secure logging mechanism that ensures that the logs' confidentiality, integrity, and availability. This may include encrypting the logs, restricting access to them, and using a logging framework that supports secure logging processes. Implement log rotation to ensure that logs are not stored for an extended period and are properly disposed of when no longer needed. Regularly review your logs for any suspicious activity and investigate any detected anomalies or errors.